Hello everyone, welcome back to Brook in the Air. Time for another foodie review. Told you about these were coming. But, do what I can. I had to pick up a supply of Dave's hot chicken. This is one of the best places in the entire Bay Area for chicken. So we're going to try it out here. So, this is the box it comes in, obviously. Comes just like this. They actually specialize in takeout. There's like maybe a very small sitting area if you really want to eat there. As you can tell, I got the hot and medium variety of tenders. They sell chicken sliders, tenders, and party packs. Party packs are for groups of 6 to 8 people. Oh, does that look good? Oh my goodness, yes. So you got fries, tenders, bread of all things, just a piece of white bread. Oh, 2 pieces of white bread, okay. So you can make your own sandwich, I guess. Let's see, Dave's hot sauce. And pickles. So the fries are very good. The fries are dusted with hot spice seasoning. Very, very good. Gotta try the chicken though. That is good. Not that hot, but definitely zesty and flavorful. There is a heat. As an aftertaste, it builds. Yeah, definitely aftertaste, it builds up. But very good, very tasty. Very good. Overall, I give Dave's Chicken at least an 8 out of 10. Very, very good, very respectable. Very good.